Hello everyone, and in today's video we are gonna talk about this animated series Spider-Man Freshman Year. So we know that Tom Holland Spider-Man, that is our MCU Spider-Man, was firstly appeared in Captain America Civil War. But that time Marvel didn't show the origin of our Spider-Man. When Tony went at Peter's place, he knew that Peter was being the Spider-Man guy for almost 6 months. So in this series Spider-Man Freshman Year, we are going to see the origin of our MCU Spider-Man. Due to this information, Spider-Man Freshman Year had Marvel fans pretty fired up during the Marvel Studios animation panel at San Diego Comic-Con last weekend. This series is being billed as taking place before Captain America Civil War, following Peter Parker through New York City with characters like Doc Ock, Norman Osborn, Harry Osborn, Nico Minoru, and Charlie Cox Daredevil, Doctor Strange, and more. However, the MCU's Earth 616 story seems to have plot lines which would contradict Spider-Man having interacted with those characters in the past. So the question of how does Spider-Man Freshman Year fit into the main MCU timelines has risen, and the answer seems to be it does not. So according to the reports in this Spider-Man animated series, when Peter is getting the broken Blu-ray player from the trash and gets into his apartment for the famous moment where Tony Stark is waiting for him to offer him the Stark internship and take him to Berlin. But because of things that happen in the multiverse, because of new random occurrences, it is not Tony Stark who is waiting for him there, it's Norman Osborn, and that sends his life in an unexpected tragedy that collides him with many unexpected characters in the Marvel Universe. Originally billed as taking place before the events of Captain America Civil War, which still seems to be true, Spider-Man Freshman Year sounds like it will also be taking the angle of a what if episode as an entire series. In this show, it seems the question will be what if Norman Osborn became Peter Parker's mentor rather than Tony Stark? The answer includes interactions with characters like Daredevil and Amadeus Cho, neither of which have been mentioned in Peter Parker's MCU journey. On Earth 616, it is unclear whether or not this will have any impact on the story in Earth 616, though as incursions between universes seem imminent, with Avengers Secret War being announced as the conclusion to the multiverse saga. Any of the stories Marvel Studios is telling across the multiverse can find themselves intersecting with Tom Holland's Spider-Man. But it depends upon the writers. Spider-Man Freshman Year is set to debut on Disney Plus in 2024 with a season 2 already on the way in the form of Spider-Man Sophomore Year. There is no news yet regarding who will provide the voice of show's Spider-Man, Doctor Strange or other characters, but it is confirmed that Charlie Cox will give the voice of Daredevil in this series too. And this Spider-Man series is going to feature a lot of Spider-Man villains that we didn't see on the big screen or the larger audience don't know about them, except the hardcore Spidey fans who keep up with the comics. And the animation is going to be like the Silver Age of Marvel Comics with a modern touch. So tell me in the comments, are you excited for Spider-Man Freshman Year? Till then, thanks for watching and goodbye.